No, ngalezi nkathi lezana bro wami ya khona nabodiko abanashootout. Shoot i-court mfethu yasinika ama 18 besi 5 eboxini and stuff like yesterday. So basigama 18 is 10 then again akhona semasifika futhi esibhanditini basenzani basi hlukanisa. Because buke amplify case le yangithi. So basihlukanisa besingafuneki endaweni eyodwa. So de manager legcina se-order le understand this thing ne. So my order bro ngiqane ethi lapho ukuhlangana and stuff like understand ngashaya ikhanda lami lokuqala va eSunset ngicela sengithiwa ngiva iSentralparks.
Order kanjani lapha?
Untanga will never know because of mina kwafika i-head of prison plus i-director and stuff like into njengalezo. I-director actually ubizwa ngoKennel and stuff like they actually shaya amagunya ayithiwa ngalingana and stuff understand. Shoot nawe bokapteni bazongidonsa ngithi i-case file yasho ukuthi usibanibani abo-accused bona into njengalezo. So kwabheka i-case file kantanga and stuff like ngicela ukubizwa mina. Ngoba lezi zinto bethi babheka ukuthi azikho shoot sema-drafini and stuff like into njengalezo. So la sesibe si-2 understand but besingahlali ilo ama-section afana yena beka se-D and mina bengise-E but ngicela sengishifta i staff ngaye A. Yes, this thing. So ngishifte after 16 days because of imana katsanga isikhathi sicela ukugwetshwa surely 2 weeks or 3 weeks nje bazoboshwa and stuff like into nje. So mina then bangimove lava a-section and stuff like into nje leso. Understand? So bathi bangidonsa bazong-interview before bazong-inform ukuthi kwenzakalani and stuff. Bacela bang-interview cha ukuthi sibani namazi into njengalezo. Angiyasho ukuthi hayi man accuse bani. Yes ngiyabazi so you understand. Nje bazongitsho ukuthi no mfethu akasekho ukushila izolo. Ay ungishile kanjani mfethu awulesithing because imambe kashapa. No utholakale umuntu oshonile namhlanje kuseni. Ay shoot bro mangihlele kanje shoot into yenza ukuthi bro wami ngicela sengihlangana shoot umqondo wami sekayithuke manje. Shoot umqondo wami ungaphandle at the same time usejele. Shoot nami concern ukuthi abantu bangaphandle bothi shoot bazoya umqondo ukuthi thina yithi sibulele imali. We understand because of ye case in vele mfethu kushithi abantu bebangazwani. That thing to say sibophisene. So imndeni mayize court vele kushithi bengakhulumisani. You understand? Laba kwathele laba kushithi laba kwathele you understand into efana lezo stuff like into njalo understand. So it was difficult to stuff like in a way ukuthi mangiye visit the program wena bangakhona ukudla kwami thinking to say kushithi bangakhona ukudla kwethu thinking to say mhlambe sifaka uchef sizokubulala. Tudona nathi besingacela next beside ukwaya. You understand? But when it comes to ukudla nanento njani because of back then you were allowed to ufake cross like my biscuits and stuff like into njani abo Vite and so forth like into njani you were allowed ukuthi usifake into ngezinto stuff. So besingasundele ukudleni understand? Beside cigarette stuff like into njani you understand? With that fear makhuluma nomuntu ngapha ukuthi ungadli ukudla ukutheni ngithe mangenyanga ngiyohlola laba bafuna ukubaplane 1 and 2 and 3. Should basixabanisa nathi nje sabo maqala kanjalo stuff like that's the thing. And vele should be besingasathembani vele. You understand still? Because there's a time where kuyimi uD no 2 so besi3. Sipromise ndi 1. You understand? Lezi zinye besiploma la besiploma khona. Zaxabana futhi nanazo sometimes should lento kusho manje mfethu besiphila ngathi abafazi. Xabana manje jikijikisi ba right. Xabana sinini manje jikijikisi ba right and stuff like into njalo understand. So indaba esivele kanje kusho manje xa singasazwana ngandlela singazwani ngayo. Sharp no problem and stuff like into njalo. So the clever mangitshela ukuthi ishone kusho ukuthi ngihlanga le ndlela kusho ngicabanga abantu bangapha ukuthi bazoyenzani emndenini yethu like into njalo that's the thing. Yabo? So mina ngiba concern ukuthi lo muntu ubulalwe yini ngiphoza ama question stuff like ukuthi manje i-cause ye death yini. But no basalinde ini i-postmortem like into njengalezo. Bazongi-informa like into njengalezo about this thing. And then bazame nokuxesa ini ifemile kantanga but then bathole ini umfazi wakhe. They called umfazi. You understand this thing? Kodwa ishapa kuna floor. Lokho ngiplomile la ngibasele. So ukuze mina mfethu ngisuke la. Ngoba into encane la mfethu yabo. Mina ngomuntu uthandazayo mfethu like I said earlier on ukuthi ngimuslim stuff like yabo still so kufika lesa sikhathi ukuthi mina ngithandaza yabo so ije sometimes nokulele into ezidize ezincane ezinganangqondo whereby singazilungisa stuff like yabo still but then angithi amakhandida ashisa promise fine. So mina ke mfethu kushithi ipassage la the clever le kushithi kune passage la side understand yi passage understand. So mina ngicoba umswali it's a math esithandazela ukuthi ngamuslim stuff like understand kushithi ngenze into yami kuthiwa yihood stuff like purifying nje my body there and there stuff, you understand? So makunjani le body ifuna clear. You understand? So mina ngithi bade awukama ufuna clear because isikhathi sami sokuthanda sihlila ngada. Ngiphume ku, you understand? Ngiqhubeke mina. Yabo this thing. So upla mangiqhubeka mfethu kushuthi sinokwenza ama up and down abakhona ne stuff like masithanda zathina yabo this thing. So le body ingitrap ibeke inyawo. Ngithe mangishuthi mangiphamisa ikhanda. Inyawo zakhe besamwela kimi stuff. And then whenever I'm in prayer stuff, like you understand, I don't have to break my prayer by looking my side, you know, so I have to focus. You understand? By the moment I'm deal with my prayer and stuff, like into the part and face what I shop, I need to level you. But being turns that is said in stuff, like into the there's always thing, standing apart in a when it's Friday and stuff, like into the but during the week, we turn as I said in stuff, like fine, no problem, I'm telling shooting got into ya, angishuthe le parent joyela kabi no le parent joyela so bengispanisha iviral ne lock esibiza ngeviral ulokha ilokha yabo so uma ngiphuma ngiyabona le parent le ngijoyela kabi kahle le parent mfethu lento yakhe mfethu akajoyela ukuyenza namhlanje uyayenza enhle my story yini yabo anothi ngigcwalisele kushuthi ngishayele lapho ngijump le parent uthi iblomeva yabo ngingene sile kunomunye ubro abathu Gaddafi yabo shothi ngibamisela inombolo lapho ke mfethu wala wazilaziphi ngifuna ukushova lo muntu because ufuna inombolo ethi yabo engangingeneki shothi angidlalela kimi lana mfethu yabo azange lekechani gijima ngazo mfethu yabo ayinami ngiyayithola ke manje ukuthi ebhallet le ngijwayela ka yabo angingenisile sometime ngidonse in la viral ene manje mangidonsa la viral bro shothi ngiyalokha futhi ngifake sokusishuthi ngifaka intambo. You understand? Ngibambe kanje ngifaka isokisi ngaphezulu. You understand? Lento sibiza nge-helicopter kahle. You understand? So kuphuma kwami le bar ngiyabona salahlile mfethu 1 lap, 2 lap, awu string ngishaya. Tam, you understand? Ibaleke kitchen, kushuthi ibaleke lava, kushuthi e-Sun City kitchen you understand? And then ama office it's either kushuthi mero gibele itape sino office phezulu ne office kushuthi ama kushuthi 4 floor. You understand? Depend ukuthi abokhata abava. You understand? And most cases bathanda ukukhuluma ku 3rd floor. You understand? So le part mfethu ikhuphuka itape isnaya mfethu shoot manje yabo lesithing. My weekend ngiyabona ukuthi ayiskill ngiyenza into mina ngiyenza stuff like into njalo yabo lesithing angiphume ku. You understand? Ngiqove le viral yami ngibuse lokhini like into njalo ngigoqe ipontshi zami shoot yonke into yami ngigoqa. Obviously I know ukuthi mina bazongishifta yi. You understand? You understand? I was akushifta veza kudeleka zokuqova ukushifta vele. Akwenze ukuthi banibeke futhi VNO2 stuff like into njalo awazazi gijima ke lesa igebe so lo Gaddafi uyofika yagoqa le Gaddafi ngoba naye Muslim ene bayijwayele yona naye enye beze iphithiphithi zakhe usesibhandile lesanko because of yena bese yaqeda. You understand? Angigoqele bangishifte via kula section bangishifte kula section bangise kwenye section bathi B angihlela ngara ngikhetha ukuthi district esibangidonsa ngedraft ngidonsa ngedraft program yangena va eCentral Parks yabo Central Parks fela ngazi ngivaye ngelisting sibiza ngengulube listing lama iveke kunyala abasithanga ama draft like into njalo but angiyanga ngiwanda I think besi mangikhumbula kahle ngathi besi 4 or 3 ngoba izinye vele zangada so besisicede i-maximum ngayi ngaste zibila ngada so bavele bangifaka la stuff like into njalo yabo but then asifikela endaweni eyi because of nabe nge-maximum zona mina zeva medium Central Parks still so right sharp ngiyafika la bro ayangena mfethu kulajeli la nayigezwa bro ayila ngoje gijima la mfethu isixhosa la yabo right sharp vele isixhosa mfethu kushuthi ngiyasizwa nyana vele ngizange ngiyazithola kushuthi ezinye ezithu ayigijima vele lezana yabona mfethu right sharp akuna flop mfethu igijima izingibambe stimeleni nani manje nami ngicole yami inkani yabona mfethu ngicole yami inkani ngithi phela mfethu uma ushayelwa shuthi ngekwazi into amampela kahle into amampela ke kodwa uqina ngayo lento ngiyastethi ngime ngayo ke lento yami ayizithole ke na ukuthi right sharp awuvuthiwe la kusinkinga yabo lesithing right sharp akuna flop 2 days 3 days zibambe inhlavu yami yakuphi yaseSun City shuthi inhlavu yami ngiqala khe ngashanga la ngoba yipi yona yokucorrecta into engenzi eSun City. You understand? Ngoba ayikho enjoyelweni into engenzi ngala. You understand? Sometime bro I feel bengazi ezinye izinto ngibambe ngale ukuthi umuntu ongaqwala umuntu kababa umshaya ngani ngesijumbane esingekho mhlambe ufaka insipho yamshanga yamdiscipline hayi ukuthi actually kube negazi elivelayo you understand sharp no problem senjalo ke angithi mangiyadonswa ke mfethu badonsa lento sizibiza ngempepho so impepho bro wami ziyakulandela noma ungakubi ziyakulandela impepho so ngidonswa ngizotshela ngempepho zami uthi mfethu phela okudabuka khona kunentshalo ehlaza ngolayini wakho isafuna kabanzi kodwa ayingeni man yabo ya kushuthi kumele uyicorrectise la ntshalo eyaqwala emzukwaneni kushuthi kulesiteji sichamuka kuso yabo ngiyacela ke mina yona yiphi mfethu yabo listing yabo kushuthi mangicela kanjalo ngiyanikwa ke manje amanginikwa futhi ngiyangibheka ukuthi mhlambe inhlavu izongiholela ke la yabo kushuthi ngigabe ngalento ukuthi impumalanga yangikolota mina kanti ayikho lento mina ngikolota impumalanga ngalento engiyenzeliwe namfethu ngokwento engekho azingikhanyisele lezi egebengu lezana mfethu yabo urayishapa kanombolo ngoba nami mfethu ngisacinile nananto nje ngisho ukuthi induka ngiyazi ngalondlela leyo mfethu yabo akoqala mfethu urayishapa bakhanyise nje umuntu ungathi akaqwala bro wami yazi inombolo injani bro inombolo awunika ohleli kanje la mfethu unika ogijima yabo shuthi mangithi unika ogijima bro wami injengamanje ngithe mangifika ngale bro wami ngiyashofa ngene ema-clock elitsheni you understand elitsheni sikubiza emuva kwentaba nani shuthi baningi bazibiza kushuthi babiza le ndawo ngendlela ehlukahlukene staff kodwa i-single cell for i-punishment you understand shuthi manje something ejele mfethu bakufaka i-single cell which thina sibiza ngama-clock staff like into njengalezi abositini so i-DCS yona ithi yakuphanisha i-DCS kodwa ngesiko lejele nalento singaphakathi kwayo understand shothi uyothola abanye la ongabazi kodwa uzobazi namhlanje ukuthi abobani nananto njenga why bada futhi stuff like into njengalezi understand yeah so mafia la bro nabo laba kuneze igijima ezinye ezikhona lapha should igijima ongena bro wami akusinki angithi bokhata bakukhahlelile bro ungena lokho 3 points zakho mfethu shothi umayakaya you understand yakushuthi kubhlungu lapho nalapho staff you understand bacela ukufaka eselini lakho legijima ziyafika lapho ukuze akucela ukuthi unobangela ukuze ube lana yimuphi unobangela igijima zingikhanyisa zathi ngishaya omunye umuntu oshaya omunye umuntu kahle kahle wena ubani mina ngumuntu so usesenhlungwini bro ngizona kuthiwa kuwe mfethu thola ke la wena mzuzu maphuza aqwalisele zakhe la agethisa la shova ngoba liyakusinhlafu you understand ucela ukushova manje ayinini manje so ukukhahleleza bokhata mfethu sena mapain you understand uyangena igijima seHolland leza uyangithola kahle shuthi ngithola igijima sespring sona program esifeza khanyisa inombolo yabo yakhanya inombolo ngashova yangifaka ema-clock mangifika ngale ngithola ezinye igijima zokumunye umhlaba phela ubofu ngena ngani ngoba inombolo ingene ngayo lapha ayikho bofu kodwa ngisemhlabani yindeyo into ethola manje so urayisha but na flow pro mangifika la liziyakhanyisa and azinami izuzu ukuthi mawuphuza mangavuda na insabulo ngegijima awuyabona ida mfethu phela manje mfethu ngisenhlungwini ke la kahle endlela ikwenza kadanda enazidlazi serious phela eliphoyisa shothi malifika ziba amaboss neshove Kosi ya so urayisha but na flow pro ngiqhubeka ngalento ya bro ngishofe uyase ya kushuthi ngishova umunye umuntu futhi epromplet iskele phela mina ngikhuphuke ngenhlavu S4 no yeah S4 ngizokhuphuka bro manje uyangikhona khona bro kunojenene abanye abantu mfethu abaningi ujenene abamazi umuntu bakhuluma ngojenene kodwa ukuthi ubani ujenene usebenza kanjani akwaziyo kwaziwa nje ukuthi ujenene ule urayisha mfethu ngishova umunye umuntu elabo khata abajambo phela isiphuphu sijuice sikhahlele manje sisaphinda futhi hayi zisho yabo so manje sisho kanje lezayigijima lezana zirelaxile yabo urayisha ukufike lokuthiwa captain azokukhuza ama hold lapha lezi zabo khata zithabathe mazi Thabatha manje angithi la ngisuka khona inombolo ayishawa nje ngapha wena mfethu yabo ngapha mfethu inombolo nje abantu bazibiza labantu nani basidecolateile ngapha understand so ngara ukhona ukubona imisebenzi yabo makuthiwa lo muntu mafaqala straight understand makuthiwa maphuze yamholder manje maphuze yaThabatha shothi maphuze mangaThabatha yamshova you understand shothi akakuyisi la abheke ukuthi mhlawumbe ucilazwe kanye ini shothi ukunika nje isikhathinyana bakudiscipline besafike abahold baThabatha if abaThabatha yabashova nabo urayishapa kunanombolo na bro wami ilokhu yenza kanjalo isting staff like yabo baholdeke lawo maphuze yabo isting ne urayishapa ungene futhi matlok ayingezwa man mfethu shothi kunzima nokuphefumula shothi le ndawo lezi mfethu zibuhlungu shothi ngilele phansi ngesisa ngifuna next kunzima ngisho nokunyakaza imihlade nangisakhuluma ngayo bro shothi ubuhlungu nokudla mfethu bukusiyeri urayishapa kuna flop na bro wami feli kushuthi nginama bathina ama rap into njengalezo mfethu shothi mangilokhu ngibhizi ngiyaneswa ke lapha nalapha understand manje lezabo shothi lezi igijima sifikile kusizucuba intavela understand umuntu okuhlala lapha zifuna ukuthi angibababambi understand yamshish holder lo muntu yabo cuba intlavela ngingabo kwayo shothi zasuka zavala understand zibuye zofaka intlavela futhi suka from ujenena lento njengalezo yabo listi siyabafila kusana nombolo bayizinto zabo ngezinto zabo maphuza mazophakamisa kusho ukuthi bona abantu shit bahlezi bala ngaphandle maphuza mazophakamisa bafika futhi shothi bangifake nombolo bangifakela yona banginike nje into kuphela ngiyabheka make lapha namfethu fila shapa kuna wrong yabo kanti ujeneni uphakamisile ngentsha yokuthi engilandelele uthi no man lo muntu ushuthi iHolland neMpumalanga ayefela idefend futhi angayisebenzela usebenzile lo muntu yabo anemchuthi kuba negunya elikhanyiswa akhanyiswe la gunya leliyana lo muntu akagijima washe spirit lesa phezulu la gunya uyazi shoot manje mfethu bengakagunyazi by the time you understand shoot then manje now ujenene meaning to say lapha shoot ngikhona khona kunegunya elingekho. That's how I got nje irank yami stuff like ngithola sometimes ngigunya ngithole because of iHolland by the time shoot le ndoda le engiyiyo bengekho le Holland stuff like that's thing so that's how uJenel ugcina sometimes afaka leyo ntshalo kuyigijima and then inyaza ugcina sesikhanyisa you understand so into efana lezo kuyena khona angitholi nje mahara thing angithola ishaba kusinkinga bro ngiyathathwa ke shoot ngama exercise kanjalo mfethu ngiyashayela yikho ngithi lento mfethu ushayela uhamba. Remember mina ngihlala la 70 so manje ngishama i2 phela ngasukuthi abantu bayi2 so mina ngihlala 14 days so ngashayela 14 days ngento ngiyiyo. You understand? Ngisase fresh kulento. You understand? Ngisazama ukubamba lana la. Yabona mayigunya. Shothi ungena entshalo kunezinto sizibiza ngama juries. Ijuries lokucala, juries lesibili, juries lesithathu kanje ayisithupha ama juries. Abanye bathi amane stuff like shothi usiselapho yena sesithing shothi usadla nentshayelo kahle stuff like sesithing na program into efana lezo understand shothi you have to understand igunya la ukuthi igunya lakho liyini into ezinjengalezo you have to understand iBritish yakho nanento njengalezo shothi iBritish yakho umgqoko wakho stuff shothi manje understand shothi mina udabule kancane lento le shothi manje understand shothi iboots lona mina udabule kahle. You understand? Isoki shoot me double kahle understand? The overall if overall prime shoot me double kahle. If full captain full captain me double kahle. Shoot na somewhere sami nokucela kahle ukuthi captain yini. You understand? Shoot me double kahle. Uyidlale kahle lento. Shoot umuntu ocela yona noma umnikana I understand shoot abanye abantu uzotsho icaptain kodwa icaptain yini mfethu akadabuki nayo find who's it ukuthi understand ukuthi yini lento le stuff into njalezo from whatever ekhona mfethu ine meaning and stuff like into njanga because iboost lakho if ever libo from line meaning. You understand? Because la meaning ya boost lena from lisabela ini mfethu I under 10. You understand? More than Mpumalanga under 10 ubovu la boost under 10 ayikho enye into mfethu yabo injenge Stone yathi Stone mangasibuza nobangela ibhusa yakhe libovu mfethu ukufake cha kunobangela kwenombolo engadeleke emachine nakanye engadaleki unobangela understand so mase built-in mfethu kushuthi la bhuti so double le under 10 le double under 10 so uma double ibhuti mfethu kushuthi lapho so uvula nge under 10 kushuthi nakhona ke under 10 iyacela ukuthi under 10 ubani nobani ivula ngobani kushuthi yonke lento mayivula from uyibeka ngoline kahle should awuyiphazile uthathe lo mfakela awushayelekanga manje njalo injengamanje mawuthi indoda discipline understand ulashaya icela iBritish uqala ngamaboots wena yabona manje into ezokhuluma nawo mfethu discipline kuphi ke lapho ikhona lento yenza ingqondo lento should ungavuka kusemqo ugqoka amaboots bese ugqoka ibrooks phezu kweboots ngikhuluma nawe next manje mfethu izinto ngisho ayikho lapho into soyikhuluma seyaphi mfethu now understand should kumele iline listing iline njengomuntu mfethu ngoba into oyenzayo mfethu into oyenzayo empilweni yakho straight in a normal life and stuff like you understand so this thing amela ukuthi vice versa and stuff like you understand because mina the moment uzofika kimi ngithi ngicebe precision ngivula ama boost nanobe uyakhuphuka ayajump with promo shayile ka should neshumbulo ekushayela mfethu ashayile ka that's the thing so ayikho into ekusho asekho izinto engizozicela deep bro because automatically into onginika yona manje I can tell ukuthi kwenzakalani ngawo yes wena mfethu because of ukhumbule mfethu sigunyaza ngokuhlukahlukana because of remember ngagunyaza stuff like kodwa ngithe mangiqinisa elami igunya yes because igunya khona kunikwa manje some distinguish a trap bakunika igunya bakunika igunya bese bakudonsela ihistory because of if ever you're not igunya problem history should history a deep enombolo I will understand you will never know stuff like but then mase gunyeni then that's when bakuvula ihistory ukuthi noma uzogunya ngazi igunya ulanda kuphi you understand then now bheka ke mfethu bakunike igunya ne ngoba kunika igunya bakushela ngalo gunya leli bese bakunika ihistory stuff like that's thing then now you understand to say alright igunya ngilithola kumaphuza you know modo uthola kumaphuza bese bakunika uma 7 days 14 days and stuff like uyayehla mawuyehla bathi prolalela ke la azuzalani ngiyoqinisa logunya ngoba lasebenzela ngiyoshovu maphuza ngithi ugcwele ukuthi amagunya aphezulu kumaphuza ena uyakwazi umshovu maphuza ecala kushovu maphuza and uyabona kushuthi sinini ugaphenye enye clever laba khahla abhlungu ngapha now i-question ozibuza ukuthi mangiya lapha ngizophila akazi kushuthi wena listing akazi uyenze before you understand then now sharp it's fine logunya so ulitholile na program understand ije lonke they have to know to say what sharp igunya ulitholile now uyoqinisa igunya because of bakhona ababovu abayathiwa ngamahala kanjalo wena sozothola malo ubani wena akunangana kuyini phela you understand and ngeke uziphikise futhi
so legunya le abakunika lona bakunika icala isikweleni
yeah mfethu should kumele usebenzele phela sebenzela phela because remember whenever you're in ranks should now mfethu you still have uba namandla control ezinye izinto phela so ngeke uzicontrol mahala kanjalo and stuff like kumele understand ubuhlungu balento i-trap lento yikho kuthiwa i-26 yehlakanipho na program understand should noma shaya scale emesidizi shaya scale esibonakalayo understand should i-26 mfethu yabantu bagelezile because of you won't be in ranks if ever ugelezanga you understand because of nabantu odila nawo lamagunya agelezile stuff like into nje so they can read ingqondo yakhe and stuff like understand they can read izenzo zakhe and stuff like into nje understand so psychological that dealing with you and stuff like without you knowing and stuff like from a distance still get a corner stuff like understand I mean like they can also pick up to say when I was in insizwa remember mfethu namaskula makuthiwa insizwa sikhuluma ngomuntu obrave right so now how can you take igwala ulisempini so we have to test you ukuthi show us lona igwala na we can't give you a rank knowing to say sinike igwala uzoba icover meaning to say uzoba dangerous to us and stuff like that so but sizoba in our caucus to discuss whatever that we're discussing then when we open inswela labo because inswela was everywhere manje sometimes uba isigubusane saka poison ushuthi wena usomdeni sakangenile la yabo isithing ushuthi mina sikukhahlele ngale kwama gate ke wena amajoni mina dile ngakanye amamashloni yabo kodwa ke nakhona I don't even think to say ngeke uzubambe because of ikhona inyanga la ekhaya namfethu yabo yakulapha yalephonza ichoba la kuyibambi uziphi ngawo eninyazi nazo zikhona inyazi suka sisebenzile ngani ngempepho zakho and ucaptain ukhona usuka aqhumile intshayelo zakho should ayikho into mfethu singayazi if ever nosuka la usuka khona bro mbodli inyawo kanye bodliwe inyawo angeke singakubambi la sizokubamba intshayelo into oshayela ngayo uyashayela yikho kuthiwa intshayelo injengesiyala ngithi mawusuka kini bro basuka kunikeza imlayezo you understand isiyalo kuthiwa lesi siyalo sakamahlangu kanye sakabani okanye sakhumalo whatsoever stuff like you understand iyalo zala ekhaya lezi stuff you understand should ama rules la ekhaya stuff ukuthi into so asiyezi bese kuba nentshayelo which is your thing esukunika yona sithi wena umsebenzi wakhe is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 this is your department and remember mfethu mina ke mfethu njengoba ngiyinhlaka mfethu understand this thing should umsebenzi okroti la you understand abantu ababhala singiyinhlaka na into njalo they don't even understand stuff like into njalo system because of manje uvalele should uvale abantu mfethu udila nabantu bahlangahlangene la amakhanda abathi kahle stuff you understand so you are dealing with 3 different people and stuff like you understand udila ne number 1 understand whereby bakhona ukuza ngey'kelem la. You understand this thing? So webona mangafundanga to that position and stuff, you're not fit. You're not even qualified because of bangagenza noma yini and stuff. Like if awushayelekanga bazogenza noma yini because bazokuropa. You understand? Utlane number 2 futhi. So labantu benu bavale ngalagunya lelana uthi lashintsha kathathu. You understand this thing? Lena makhona mani. You understand this thing? Kodwa la mprogram mina la makhona mani ngitshele vali na makhona mani. Lesine imfihlo yami staff kunala ngivula khona kunala ngivuli khona. Ngineyinkiya ezintathu. You understand this thing? Sikhona sesine ngivula ngase parliament. Kune parliament la sithi uma khwezi uba khona. That's when sithi i-full bench. If bench suka mfethu kubasela mina ama 1 time nama 3 time lapho. You understand this thing? Shoot labantu babasela ama 1 time nama 3 time ababe khona. Understand? Yimi ngwabasela from ujenena ovulula yimi nanto njengales babe khona la kushuthi niyahlangana senonke. Understand this thing? Abanye bathi it's Christmas marobhani. Shothi umarobhani bayahlangana ke lapha stuff. Isefu siyavulwa. Ngiyakubopha mina ejele mfethu. Ujene nobana ngifuna ukukhetha as long as ukufike la kumele ukubophe khona ngiyakubopha la. Iloya lakho malifika kuneloya la eMpumalanga. Iloya lakho malifika lihlehlisa futhi mina ngafuna ukubonakala wena. Manguklatsa futhi noklatsa bro ngithi mina ngini kanje the whole day. Awungitshela igwebo zami lezi ngiyakufaka lapha mfethu. I-punishment yami ke la ngithi wena kushuthi ishumi usuwalidile nawo lugwebe ngakhona mfethu mina uzovala ubani yimi egcine ejele lami. You understand this thing? So that's why mfethu ngihlebe ekhohlakela nginabufakazi mina efakazi wami mfethu insabule khona lapha eground. Angihami nobani bani mina nanto njalo understand. And ukhumbule futhi ngishela abantu bayi2 ba dangerous abo general boyi2. Ngishaya general number ngishaya general wakuphi oyi number 2. No right sharp bese ngigunyaziwe ngoba kule nhlave ngishaye kodwa ke kuthi i-question bebemele uyibuze bro ukuthi ngicinise kanjani elami impose ukuthi ngibe bofu. Bengakabi bofu lapha na mfethu bengisaniwa kahle ngendlela e-right. Right sharp manje ke mfethu na intshali yaqhamuka ukuthi mfethu meyocinisa igunya lakho. Mina usho maphuza ngoba igunya uthola kumaphuza ayibonale nombolo yangixaka ke manje. Hayibo. Ngase. Then phela manje ngigunya phela. Mama ngililani ngokalayini. Ngeqiniso ke manje understand. Mina ngomshoba nomaphuza phela. You understand? So manje ngiyafunda ukuthi right sharp elegebeza icilazini. Last time ngithema ngishova lo ufika ukhuza ama holiday. Shuthi namazo ukhuza ama holiday. Ngithathe vele into ngento zami mfethu kuseni futhi ekseni ngenkazi imidoko lezi yazibona ne nama breakfast nana ayishove iphoyisa umuntu naye lo muntu ocuza umshova mfethu yabona yabaleka yazi ukubaleka wakhe shoot manje mekubiza i-backup kubiza i-ST manje ngoba manje wena kushuthi manje maphuma kayo uzakithi mfethu uvuza igazi sithi la kunempe serious you understand so manje kubiza i-ST mayivela phela isabheki mina ngiwa. They know to say these is still rituals that they happen in prison. You understand? So now we have to attack. We need to say we don't attack umuntu one. You understand? Whatever gang that's there, that's involved into this thing and stuff like sateka wonke umuntu. You understand? That's how mina ngiqinisela ami igunya ngicasa ngibale logunya ngiba yilo.
And now bangabe soqinisile azange lifake isikelemeni.
Mina usho futhi. Angathi ngisekule umhlaba obovu. Phela umhlaba lalela ithi ukutshela something kulo mhlaba obovu bro wami sishela ngamazibuko shuthi ile inhlapho esizishayayo. You understand?
Bangashayi kwenzakala.
Ubani ngahlahle wena uma ngashayi. Uhlala nathi kushuthi wena ungahlala namadoda mfike ungasiyona indoda. Ngeke phela umfazi ohlala namadoda wathola amadoda kushuthi ahleli lapha axoxa whatever into ebhekana nobudoda nobese uyafika. Kunamadoda esithi amadoda ngoba bashadile ngeke uhlala nabantu bashadile ungashadanga ukhuluma nabantu bashadile ungashadanga wena. It's like uma uthi the advice yomuntu ungashadanga wena kushuthi ufucova i-advice usemshadweni fucova advice kumuntu ongashadanga futhi uzokutshela kanjani ngomshado yena angashadanga. Yabona something nje confusing le.